Good morning friends, welcome to the video. We will be today looking at a small overview, the basics and fundamentals, and introduction to cdcs. cdcs is a very important qualification for the bankers, especially in the trade finance field. You can find that the certificate for documentary credit specialist is the exact complete designation. This is a designation recognized worldwide as a benchmark for competence in international trade as an international practitioner. This qualification is developed by IFS in partnership with ICC. ICC is International Chamber of Commerce and IFS is International Financial Services, IFS UK. This qualification enables you to demonstrate a level of expertise in documentary credits. This demonstrates that you are an expert in handling documentary credits. This helps you to develop the skills required to apply your knowledge in the workplace, and it is developed in consultation with industry experts, so it matches the requirements of the industry. You can see that ICC is a leading global rule-making body. It's an association of all the chambers of commerce of the various nations. More than 130 countries are members of ICC, and they being the largest and most representative organization in the world, their rules are taken with great significance. IFS is a London-based charity. It's incorporated with the Royal Charter, and their purpose is to ensure flow of talented individuals to the financial services industry. Once you complete a CDCS qualification, once you get the designation of Certified Documentary Credit Specialist, there are two things that we can do further. One is, after 3 years, you will have to do a recertification, or you will have to go in for getting PDUs, Professional Development Units. And during the 3 years time, you can go in for a certificate for specialist in demand guarantees or certificate in international trade and finance, two other qualifications available at the ICC IFS combination. What does the certified or certificate in documentary credit or certificate for documentary credit specialist mean? Certified documentary credit specialist, certificate for documentary credit specialist. What is this? What does they certify? What do they evidence that you have expertise in or competence in? This consists of detailed knowledge on documentary credits, including standby LCs. You will come to know about the parties, their roles and obligations. You will learn about the types and methods of payment. You will be understanding types of transport, commercial and other financial documents. You will have to also understand risk issues, the types of risk, how to control and how to mitigate them. You will have an overview of the rules and the trade terms, that is UCP, ISP 98, Incoterms 2010 and URR 725, and other related products like steamship guarantees, letter of indemnity and airway leases. You will also study a little bit about syndications and other ways of doing things. How to acquire this qualification, how to get this designation, how to become a certificate for documentary credit specialist professional. There is a detailed study text which is updated annually, which is provided to the students who enroll or register for the same. The qualification is given on basis of the result of a test. The test is multiple choice questions, 70 questions, 3 in basket case studies. In basket case studies is they will give a case study, and based on that there will be 3 case studies based on which there will be further questions, and there will be 3 document checking simulations. It requires about 300 hours of study to appear and pass this 3-hour examination, and the learning outcome, or once you pass the examination, you will be able to utilize the rules, all these rules of UCP, ISP, Incoterm, etc., to the documentary credit transactions, understand their features, life cycle and roles of the parties and credit transactions, and how they are applied. You will be able to manage the DC transactions and associated risks. This 3-hour examination is conducted in over 30 countries each year. The next examination is on 10th of April 2015, and If you want to get a flavor of the examination, cdcs.ifslearning.ac.uk/e-quiz, you can go to this link. You will have a sample Quizlet over there. The fees for the examination is about £485. Then there is an international booking fee of £55, examination receipt fee of £300, receipt booking fee of £22, and referral fee of £100. The bare minimum fee will be £485. This includes only the study text and student handbook and fees for one sitting of an examination in the immediate April that you pay is the fees for. Registration for April examination should be on or before 31 January 2015. The more details for registration or the application form of registration is available in this particular link, cdcs IFS Learning AC UK, and this application should be filled up, signed, and scanned and emailed to customer services at IFS UK AC, or you can call this fax number and phone number and get more information. That's a different procedure for the students from Bangladesh, China, India, Indonesia, and Korea. This designation is valid for 3 years. Designation holders are required to participate in a recertification program, which is to acquire 24 hours of CPD, continuous professional development. This 24 hours should be 50 to 60 minute sessions of 24 different activities that you have done. You can register and take the examinations again at the end of 3 years instead of going in for the recertification program by means of a CPD or CDUs. The International CDCS Registry contains the names of individuals who have met the requalification or recertification requirements or who have passed and their CDCS examination qualification and designation is valid. Once you pass the examination, you will be given a certificate, and thereafter you can carry the designation certified for documentary credit specialist with your name. Thanks. Hope you will be interested in this qualification and will be joining the journey of acquiring this qualification and proving your competence for international practice of documentary credit transactions and bring in much more expertise to the financial world.